So let me just.
It's very good.
What's going on, guys? It's Ameerah. Oh, okay. Anyways, make sure you press that subscribe button. I post videos every single day, a bunch of random stuff you guys comment on love, and I'll do some of the stuff that you guys tell me to do. So make sure you do that. And also my brother Charlie.
That's me.
He also has a channel. It is Navalua. I will also have the link for it in the description down below. He also has a vlog channel. Everything will be in the description down below. But anyways, today we are going to be trying Popin Cookin kits. One second. Okay, never mind. Anyways, guys, Popin Cookin is basically like little kits that you can make mini foods in. So like,
you can like literally storage this for 30 years and live off of this if the world comes to an end.
It's a bunch of powder. You can make chicken.
Why don't I just read them the instructions?
Charlie, I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it.
I'm just reading the this language, alien.
Oh my god. Okay, so basically it's a bunch of powder and then you can make food out of it. It's just the most crazy thing ever, but anyways, we're gonna be trying all of them. And yeah, we're gonna try and just make it. And let's see what we come out. We might come out with some complete doo-doo or like a beautiful, like freaking 5-star bakery. I don't even know. We're gonna, you know,
yeah, Ameerah, we're gonna come out with a 5-star bakery. In your dreams.
We're gonna try and like make it look like the cover as much as possible. That will be the challenge, okay? All right, let's go!
Wait,
Okay.
I'm itching my butt. There's my butt up here.
And today's like button challenge is gonna be try to put the like button with your Charlie. You can say it because you think it's one.
With your left toe now.
Just do it with your left toe, okay?
Now.
Let's get straight on into the video, yo. Okay, let's choose our first kit right after Charlie comes back.
I'm back.
You back? Okay. Itty bitty mighty mo, catch a kit by its toe. Very best, but you are not it. This one. All right, so we got this first one.
What is it? Chicken nuggets.
It's like a cookie with like balls covered or something, but it has a blue soda that looks really, really good, so I want to try that. But we have Google Translate, so I'm gonna use that just to check it out really quick. So there's a really cool app, guys. It's called Google Translate, not sponsored by the way, but if they would like to sponsor me, hit me up.
I'm Google sponsored. You asked for a hit up.
And they have a little picture thingy where you can take a picture and you can translate stuff. It's really cool. So let me just take a picture. It even like does it like live right there, but it's not the best, you know. It just looks a little messed up. So we're just gonna go ahead and okay, we're gonna take that word. What does that mean? Great taste. All right. Okay, it doesn't read too, because this is like cartoon letters. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like cartoon. I might be able to read this better
That's,
though. So we'll
not
check that out. But let's start opening. Enough of that. I want to try these guys. Guys, I would love to go to Japan because I got some I got some scissors because apparently you're supposed to use these thingies, I think, like right here for the kit, so I have to cut it open.
I'm making this one. It's got
we decided we're gonna make
orange
2 at a time.
chicken.
Okay, so it comes with these powders. Yeah, I'm gonna make food out of this, guys. Powder and water. Okay.
Hey, that's mine. All right, now we just read the instructions. It says, place 30 milliliters of water in the purple packet. Oh, dang, I forgot. In the alien hieroglyph land, their colors are different.
So mine, we have these packets.
Nobody cares, I mean.
Okay. I'm excited, guys. This is so freaking cool. Like, look at this. Okay. So, first thing, you're supposed to get this and cut it.
Ah!
Thank you for sterilizing it.
You're welcome.
Next thing, you're supposed to get this strawberry powder and put 1 spoon of water. See, it seems like, okay, so open that up. I think it says the whole packet, so I'm just gonna do a whole packet. We're gonna put that in there. That's a lot, so I don't know. And then 1 spoon of the water. Pour that in there. Whoa, guys, it shrinked, what the heck? You wanna try it?
I know.
It tastes like jelly.
It's a jelly.
That tastes good. Next up, you're supposed to get some other powder and then put that. Okay, so I think it's this powder, right, guys? And then you put 1 spoon of water. Okay, well, I'm just gonna put the packet and I'm just gonna put 1 spoon of water. Hopefully that's good because I don't understand any of that, so yeah. I wonder what's gonna happen with Charlie. He's making broccoli apparently with powder?
Yeah.
I don't understand this, guys.
Okay.
I wonder if it's gonna taste like real or like candy, because sometimes they taste like candy, sometimes they're.
I hope this doesn't taste real.
I think my strawberry is like already done. That's so cool. Okay, how does it taste, Charlie?
Tastes really good like broccoli.
Let me see. It tastes like green apple, guys. Whoa, my dough isn't the best. Okay, one more.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I
I
get
should
it.
just start like squishing this. Here's my dough, guys.
Yeah, you
and
might
then
wanna-
look at Charlie's dough. His
Can you not touch mine?
yours isn't the
You made yours black.
Okay, we're making this a challenge. Whoever can make the best Popin Cookin wins.
Alright, okay.
won.
Next! Okay. I wonder what this tastes like, guys. I wonder if it's gonna be sweet or like fishy. That's a cookie! That's a cookie! That's so weird! Okay. This tastes like crushed up cookies, guys. It's so cool. Here's my cookie batter, guys. I wanna try that. That looks good. That tastes like a graham cracker. You guys try it. Try it. So you're gonna grab your cookie, squish it in there.
This is difficult, guys. Aliens and their lightweight powder.
Next is the chocolate powder. So I don't really think I need to like change this, right, guys? There's the chocolate. 2 spoons of water for the chocolate.
Maybe
What is
I
that
can.
sad panda?
It's just messed up because.
By the way, guys, Paul's gonna be judging our food. So yeah.
And then I get my sushi roll like that.
I think so far Charlie's Mickey Mouse is winning.
That's a panda bear. You know they're endangered in California?
Mickey Mouse. My dough is drying up, so I put it in the water. Your dough's almost ready, Paul. You ready to eat it?
Oh, I feel bad for you. And then
My fish isn't cooking!
now we make our noodles.
That just looks like panda poop. I'm gonna use his because mine is completely dirty and I think it's like the same size, so. Okay, that tastes like teriyaki!
Yeah, why is there a random bottle of water?
Teriyaki!
Why are you using my fork?
This is your dough, Paul. You happy? Excited for it?
No.
Alright, and then we put the last finishing touch is the squidling. Right there. So we got our noodles, our broccoli, orange chicken, this rice thing looking thingy, some bamboo roll, a panda bear's head, and a piece of squid. Actually, it's a real live baby squid.
Okay, I'm gonna make my soda.
I have some sugar if you want black sugar.
No, I'm good, thank you.
Well, I do.
My cookies are not making, so I'm just,
cookies I'm cooking.
so I'm just gonna put it in the microwave. And Paul, you better be ready.
I'm not eating those.
Yes, you are.
I'm just judging with looks.
They cooked. Cookies cooked, guys. All right. All right, here you go. There is your soda. Okay. So here's mine, guys. So we got our strawberry thing with sugar right here, our cookie. Then we have these bowl things right here. That looks actually pretty good. Tastes like teriyaki. So here it is, guys. I know my fish doesn't look the best, but that's the best I could do. And I didn't know I was supposed to
Is
microwave
this supposed to be a cookie? Because it's
Yeah.
really squishy.
Alright, and yours, Charlie?
Alright, so this is how mine was supposed to be. It's supposed to have a squid, some kind of bamboo roll, a piece of broccoli, 2 pieces of orange chicken, some spaghetti, a panda bear's head, and that. And this is how mine came out. My squid and broccoli are pretty spot on. There's not really much I could do about that. Where's my fork, Ameerah? You have my fork, don't you? Oh, it's right here.
You looking forward to that, Judge Paul?
This is my panda bear. As you can see, they look exactly alike. This is the squid.
You look sad, Charlie.
This is the spaghetti. My broccoli. These are my orange chicken balls. My rice triangle. Bamboo. That's everything. What are you putting
teriyaki.
Stop! You're
It looks
ruining
better.
it. You're ruining
It
it.
looks better.
You ruined it.
Paul, who won in your opinion?
Oh, that's a hard one. They both look pretty bad.
I think Paul has to eat at least one piece of one of our dishes.
What do you want to try from mine, Paul? This is green apple. Tastes like green apple. You want the broccoli?
Yeah, I'll take the
Okay, you want half or the whole thing?
The whole thing.
I want half, so here you go.
Oh.
I thought I steamed them perfectly. Well, you know, maybe you prefer the spaghetti. Try the spaghetti. Spaghetti is good.
Okay, the spaghetti is better.
I kind of want to try the orange chicken. It's just like ugly bowl.
Yeah, let's try the orange chicken. Oh, God.
That's interesting.
Here you go, polyester bean.
It doesn't taste like chicken.
Just tastes like chocolate. I mean candy.
It just tastes like orange chicken.
Okay, now it's time for you to eat a part of our piece. I'm gonna guess you want the cookie because that was like the least ugly
Well,
one.
first let me tell you, Charlie gets a 6 out of a pie and you get a 5 out of a noodle.
Why? Is that better?
Yeah, I did better. Okay, you can talk about it.
Take some of that soda. It might not be very carbonated anymore.
Okay, well, I think what I did better is I served you and she didn't. Tastes like bleach.
So let me just, here you go, sir.
You should try.
It's very good.
Not good. Would you like to try part of the strawberry? Because I know you're gluten-free or something, right?
No, you can try yourself.
You want to try, Charlie? Here's my strawberry. Last but not least, the little teriyaki balls. You want one, Paul?
Yours is really weird because they're supposed to be like desserts. What kind of teriyaki ball is dessert?
No. You know what? I don't know. Try it.
No, it's for dirty. Why would you eat that?
It tastes good.
I'm gonna stick with my noodles.
It tastes like teriyaki sauce from Panda Express with like egg roll. Okay, before we get on to round 2, guys, you make sure to comment down below who you thought round one, either Ameerah or Charlie.
Charlie!
I think I won, guys. Mine was pretty good too.
But I'm
so
pretty sure I won.
Anyways, next one. Next round, guys, we're actually making it a really big challenge. We're gonna try and make this in 5 minutes. So I have the gummy one right here, and then he has little button thingamajiggers. We look cute.
But I look cuter.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start. 5-minute timer, please.
Your timer is
Oh, go! Okay. Oh no, now I don't have it. Oh.
Come on!
Ow.
Why do they, only thing in English they put is made in Japan? Like that helps us.
This is one of the first ones they had, guys. I actually have already made it one time. I loved it. It was like the first one.
You already made this one? That's not fair.
So I need to put water in all of these. Water. Okay, here's the coloring, guys. We got red right here. Be careful, Ameerah. Okay, I can't mix that.
Okay. Okay!
Yeah.
No.
Oh. Okay, I don't know what this last one's supposed to be, so I'm gonna mix that with this thingy-majigger.
I'm so confused. The last one we did was like sugary and whatnot, and this one tastes like a maruchan.
Oh no, oh no.
1 minute and 50 seconds left.
Okay, you know what, Paul? We need more time.
I don't.
45 seconds left.
Ah! Okay, now I'm gonna make my little faces.
Can I know why they gave me so much of this stuff if it's gonna be tiny little shrimps that I'm making?
It seems like none of you are close to done, so let's add another 5 minutes.
You're such a nice man, Paul. Okay, my elephant is dead, guys.
I used to work at Panda Express, so I'm pretty sure I got this. Okay, we got our shrimp ready. Oh my god, I'm supposed to make 8 of these. Jesus crikey. I'm supposed to microwave this at the end. I don't have enough time to microwave this. Okay. This is gonna be my dough, guys. This is dough right here. I'm making dough balls. You guys can watch this unfold.
I'm done.
Are you seriously done?
Yeah. You want
Okay, well while you're done, could you find out how many minutes I'm supposed to microwave this?
30. Okay, so I think I win because I'm done and he's not done yet.
That's not fair. Mine is much more difficult.
Okay, well, maybe you shouldn't have chose it.
I didn't choose it. You gave it to me on purpose.
I warned you.
All right, so now we gotta cover these with this special sauce. I cooked them right now. Oh yeah, look at that. Put some right there. Oh, by the way, these are shrimps, if you didn't notice. Put some right there, put some right
What's going on over there, Ameerah?
I fell asleep.
The last finishing touch is this like mustard sauce or something? I don't know, something Japanese. Maybe one like that, one like that. And we're good. You wanna try this? It's really good. Mm-hmm. You, Paul?
No.
Give me your finger. It's really good, actually.
What the?
It's really good.
So here's mine.
What exactly is yours supposed to be?
Gummies.
Okay, well you see, Ameerah finished in the less than 10 minutes. Mine took more like 15, 20 minutes to make, but I think mine looks so much better.
Well, anyways, let's try mine. I got gummy bear head right here. Which one do you want to eat, Paul? No, that was the best one.
I want a gummy worm.
Never mind, that wasn't the best one. You should try a different one. Here you go.
They're a little gooey. You might have put too much water.
Okay, they don't taste good right now, okay? It's because I had to wait so long for that, okay?
All right, let's just try mine.
No, give me another chance. Here you go.
Now, mine has a little shrimp right there, which very strangely tastes like shrimp. It's got some brown sauce, some
It is
white
the weirdest
mustard
thing
sauce,
ever, guys.
and this dough that I had to cook. I don't like it because it's not supposed to taste like that. It's not supposed to taste like real food.
Let's try some of your dish. Why did it do that?
I don't know.
Okay, well that is it, guys. You guys comment down below if you want us to do a part 2 to this Popin Cookin because these things are awesome. I love them so much. I have a really fun time doing them, honestly. Do you, Charlie? I feel like Charlie actually liked them. They're like fun.
Yeah.
You guys comment down below. Also, if you have gotten one, I love them. And that is it, guys. Love you so much. And make sure to push that subscribe button. And that is it. I love you so much. And I really hope I see you next time. Bye.